So, hi everyone, welcome back to Data Science in a Pocket. And today we are exploring the free API key that is unlimited for Devstral 2. Yes, you heard it right, it is the latest model by Mistral, which is a coding beast with just 123 billion parameters and is able to beat out models like DeepSeek V3.2, GLM 4.6 with one fifth the size. Yes, you heard it right. Today we will be using routeway.ai for getting the free API key. So first of all, search here for Devstral 2 as you can see. Click here. So Mistral Devstral 2 is free to access. It is a state-of-the-art open source model by Devstral Mistral AI specializing in agentic coding. It's a 123 billion parameter dense transfer model supporting 156K context window. It supports exploring code bases and orchestrating changes across multiple files while maintaining architecture level context. It tracks framework dependency, detects failures, and retries with correction. It's a pretty good model. And here you can see the pricing. Input tokens is 0, output tokens is also 0. So first of all, you need to create a free API key. So you need to click on dashboard and go to API keys. Go to create API key and name it anything. I'll copy paste my API key as you can see here. Now you need to go back to the page and copy paste this code as you can see. There is a curl request. We will be converting that into Python code in the next script. So here you can see that I am using Devstral 2. This is the API hit point, and here I am providing the API key, my secret key, Devstral 25123. Let me run this. This might take a while for connecting as you can see. And we have got the answer. Model is Devstral 2512 and it is able to answer. I'm just a virtual assistant, whatever it is giving. It's a coding piece. Let me ask it a mathematical question now. Again, as you can see, the execution time is shown here and not that much, I think about 10 seconds. And here we are able to get an answer for this too. So this is how you can use the coding beast, then open source model Devstral to 123 billion parameters. If you can't use it in your local system, it would require some high GPUs. You can use this free API key, which is provided by routeway.ai. The link is in the comment section below. A great model and a great platform to explore. This is not a paid promotion, so don't worry. Thank you so much.